Hello everyone, I'm going to show you today how to make a clover leaf. You can make a 4-leaf or a 3-leaf. I've done 2 of my leaves already, so I'm going to show you at the end. I'll show you how to do the stalk and crochet them all together. So let's learn how to do 1 leaf. So make 5 chain. I've got crochet cotton which can split quite easily. So please forgive me any splits. If you just get some, this is obviously not green, but if you just get some double knitting, that'll do the same job. So I've got 5 chain on my hook. I'm going to miss 2 and 1 double crochet into the next one. So miss that one, 1 double crochet into this one. And then I'm going to do 1 treble into the next one. I'm working in UK terms. So treble in the UK is a double crochet in the US. Okay, and then to form the bulk, the top of the leaf, you're going to work 10 double trebles. It sounds like it's impossible, but it's possible. You're going to work 10 double trebles into this last chain. So double treble is 2 round. So we're going to go in, and this is the same hole you're going to make the same, or the next 9 double trebles into. So you go through 2. I could ignore the splits, but it won't turn out well. And through 2. So that's 1 double treble. So you can work with me or you can pause the video. So this is the second double treble. If you're practicing, I would practice with double knitting. I just like the effect that crochet cotton has. It looks so much nicer. But it's a pain to work with. So we've done 3. It naturally takes you round and kind of spins around the top. So that's 4. 5, so we're halfway there. These would be great. You can just get some little brooch badges, pin them on for St. Patrick's Day. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 more. 8. 9 and 10. Okay, now just to work the rest of it back down to where we started, we're going to find the tops of these original chain. So we're going to do a treble and we're going to squeeze into the kind of top of that chain. So there's a treble. And then we're going down in height, so we're going to do a double crochet into there, and right into this one we're going to do a little slip stitch just to finish it off nicely. So you should have got a leaf, and I've got 3 leaves. You can make 4 if you want. I'm just going to keep it simple at 3. So if you pause the video and do your other 2, or kind of rewind, do the other 2 and then join me back at 5:25ish, 5:30 to do the stalk. Okay, hope you're back with your 3 or 4 leaves. So to make the stalk, so you've kept that attached on the last one. If not, join again and make 9 chain. Okay, so then you're going to come back along those chains. So you're going to miss the first one and you're going to come back and just do a slip stitch into each stitch on your way back up. This will just give you a lovely little firm stalk. Tiny bit fiddly. You could do a 4-leaf clover as a good look for someone. Driving lesson, driving test, exams. Okay, last one, and then we're going to slip stitch into the bottom of here, just to kind of solidify that. And then if you grab your second leaf, I can see a couple of strands there I'm not greatly happy about, but and then you just slip stitch into the bottom of there to keep your right side facing. So we're just going to slip stitch into the bottom of there to attach it. Slip stitch straight through, quite fiddly. Okay, have a look at your placement. Mine's kind of wanting to do that, so I'm going to put the other one in the top there, but I just know I've got a strand caught, which is not helping my video life at the moment. Right, I am going to finish this, but obviously if it was just me, I would take that back out, frog it, and so attach your second one, third one, pull through. It's very fiddly, this bit, especially with splitty yarn. Right, let's try and get rid of that, and I can cut that one off. Okay, so, and I'm going to go into that one again. It's not feeling very solid. So, and then I'm going to go through the top of the stalk as well. So that should give it, and just come through everything if you can. Sure, you're making a way better job of this than I am. So let's pull that off, cut off our ends. And there we have a cute, you can see at the size of my hand how big it is, cute little 4-leaf clover. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I've got lots and lots of flowers and leaves and mistletoe and all sorts. Thank you. Bye.